Welcome back to Mighty Mike's Woodshop. Today, hold on. This is a weekly shop update for March 4th, 2018. I had to switch my shirt because Jamie Page, my buddy, reminded me that a while back I had said when I do the shop updates I'm going to be wearing other makers t-shirts. So this is Jamie's. I'll leave a link down in the description below for Jamie's channel. Where's my list? I went to the woodworking show this weekend and picked up a couple things. I picked up this 2-inch roughing gouge. So Stephen Twidell, I got 2 inches. I also picked up this dummy plate. It attaches to my domino. What it does is it automatically gives you the center of either a 3/4 inch or a 1/2 inch piece of ply. I'm going to be doing a lot of cabinets and using the domino. I think this will be a lot helpful. Not helpful? Much more helpful? I don't even know. My English goes when I start videoing. I don't know why. But I'm going to try that out on Drew Short's clamp cabinet. I have the plans for it. I'm going to just modify it just a little bit. He uses dados and rabbits, and I'm going to just use the domino to test it out. So, sorry Drew, but if your cabinet comes out crooked, it's my fault. Also, I will be attending. Also, I picked up these nice pieces of hardwood. This is walnut, and I have curly maple down here. I don't think my wife watches my videos, so I could say that I think for Mother's Day I'm going to make her a jewelry box. The exterior will be curly maple. I think I'm going to do some splines of walnut, and I possibly will make the tray inside walnut and possibly flock it. I don't know. It's all up here. I just haven't put it out here yet. I also picked up a couple of pen kits. Here's a fireman pen kit. It has an axe on it to click the pen, and here is a policeman's pen. I haven't done these yet, but I have a couple of friends that may like it. So keep an eye out for that. I'll probably do videos on them and then throw them up on my website, depending on how well they come out. I will be attending the woodworking show down in Atlanta in 2 weeks, I believe. March 16th, 17th, and 18th. So if you're in the area or you want to come by, I'll probably be hanging out with the Southern Woodworkers booth a little bit until they kick me out because I'm north of the Mason-Dixon. And but there'll be a whole lot of YouTubers down there, so we'll all be chatting it up. I am also entered in the Maker's Rock album. It is this is I think the third. I think it's the third. I did one last year. The guys did one the year prior. What it is you try and make a replica of a rock album. This year is the 90s. I kind of goofed up and picked a 1987 album. I don't know. I was in a rush and didn't think. I don't know. But they let me keep the album I picked, so which is good. I just have to start working on it. So keep an eye out for that. I will leave a link down in the description below to the website. Also on my website, I have plans for my drill press cart available. I also have a couple of t-shirts. So if you guys want to, support me in any way, head over there, pick them up. I also will be having a Milwaukee job site drawer organizer cart available probably midweek. I'll probably throw it up there on Wednesday, and then Thursday the video will be released for it. I'm trying to edit the video in a different manner that I currently videotape. And going forward, I'm going to change a couple things to make my life a little easier and to make the content a little bit more, I don't know what word I'm looking for, but you understand. That is about it. Hopefully this week I'll have a little bit more shop time. Last week my son had a basketball championship, 2 days. My daughter had a dance competition for 2 days, the woodworking show, and you know, just life gets a little crazy. But this week we're going to get something done. I don't know exactly what, but there will be something available next week. So thank you for watching. Please hit that thumbs up button. Let me know you like the video. Leave a comment down in the description below. I will respond to you. And hit that subscribe button along with the bell to let you know when I have a video available. As always, be safe. Alright, that was it. Yes! That's what happens when you write lists. Do lists. You don't forget things, especially in your old age.